Okay, so for straight line graphs, you need to remember that the general equation of a straight line is given as y equals mx plus c, where m is what the gradient of the line is, and c is the coordinate, the y coordinate, where it crosses the y-axis. Now, to work out the gradient, it's the difference in the y coordinates over the difference in the x. So in our question, difference in the y coordinate is going to be 8 take away 2, and the difference in the x coordinate, now because I've chosen that to be the first y, this needs to be my first x. So it's going to be 8 take away 2 on top, and on the bottom 0 take away minus 2. On top you got 6, on the bottom that becomes plus, so you get 6 over 2, which is 3. So m, the gradient, is 3. So you can then say, therefore, y equals 3x plus c. Still don't know what c is. In order to work out c, you now choose either pair of your coordinates and substitute in their x and y value. Okay, so if we choose 0, 8, when x equals 0, y equals 8. Put that in there, and we get 8 equals 3 times 0 plus c. 8 equals 0 plus c, so c equals 8. So your equation of the line is y equals 3x plus 8. Okay, and I mean, what I suggest, if you're not comfortable with that, go back to your textbook and you'll find loads and loads of questions, and all you need to do is practice it. Okay, it's a standard layout. Y equals mx plus c. M is the gradient. How do you find the gradient? It's the difference in the y coordinates divided by the difference in the x coordinates in the 2 points you're given. Once you've worked out the gradient, put one of the points coordinates into your equation to work out c. The other way they could ask you about the equation of a straight line is as in question 2 there, where they give you the graph and you have to work it out. Well, you know that y equals mx plus c, and you know that c is the coordinate where it crosses the y-axis. So c is 4. So now you know that y equals mx plus 4. If you can find another coordinate pair to put on your graph, then to take off your graph and put into your formula, you've got the gradient. Okay, or you've got your two coordinates there. So let's have a look. So here we've got the coordinate 0, 4. Here you've got the coordinate minus 2, 0. So m is the difference in the y coordinates, 4 minus 0, divided by difference in the x coordinates, 0, take away minus 2, which is 4 over plus 2, which is 2. So y equals 2x plus 4. And again, you have a look in the maths textbook and you have lots of practice of that sort of question.